everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Now in this video we are doing some makeup, and I'm going to try and have some fun with this one because I don't usually do a whole lot of crazy stuff with my makeup, so we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to be using the Alexis Stone palettes. 2 of them. Alright, this is the first one. It's a collaboration she did with Revolution. That's the inside. I'm not going to go too in depth with like what's all in the palette because she has a video for that. Go check that out if you want all that information. Alright, and this is the second palette that has all the shimmery colors in it. Alright, and one cool thing about that is that both palettes, they're magnetic. Check that out. Yes! Love that. Alright, and they also gave me a mystery box for my purchase. So I'm gonna open this up and see what's inside the mystery box. What's inside? It's a mystery. Okay. I have an orange lipstick from what it looks like. I can't really tell until I open it up, it's sealed. I have a rose gold pink shimmer eyeshadow, as well as, a contour and highlight palette, and an eyeshadow palette. Thanks, Revolution, I appreciate that. And another lipstick, this one is in a bright pink. Now, without further ado, let's get started and do some makeup. Now, I already pre-blocked my eyebrows before getting on camera. I blocked them out with PROSAIDE. I have a link down below if you want to see how I do that. Now, I want to do something really fun today, so I'm going to do a different foundation color than I normally do. I have this little CC Beauty rip-off of the Makeup Forever palette, so I'm going to try and use that. I've only ever used the white out of it, so we're going to try some other colors. Use Alcone Sponge. Let's start doing something funky with our makeup. I might have to do a couple layers of this because it looks like I just like fit into a dye pack. Alright, I want to do a different color today because every time I do a makeup video, I never do anything really like out of the ordinary. I always kind of do my own makeup. So I thought like, let's do something a little intergalactic. Let's go blue. So this could either be like a really funky like alien look or, you know, I'll turn into a Smurf. We shall see where it takes us. Although Vander once told me when she used to do this, she would use like a big kabuki brush that's like made for like stage dancers, and would use that all over his body because it's like the only thing you can use that can like pick up so much product and cover such huge areas at like a little bit of time. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna set it now using some powder. Alright, now the part I'm most excited about, I want to start highlighting contour. So I'm gonna use my ColourPop. What I like about this, like this stuff is so strong that like it rarely picks up the pigment that you're putting it over. Like I use it on my eyes, on my face. And to the person out there that Venmoed me $5 for watching my YouTube videos, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you, Daniel. I am shocked this is actually working. I don't know why I never did makeup like this before. I just could like get comfortable doing the same old stuff all the time. But like, I'm actually liking the way this is looking. It looks a little bit like Jambi from Pee-wee's Playhouse, but I'm not mad about that. We'll do like sexy Jambi. All right, I'm gonna set that now. I don't know what it is, like looking at it, like it makes my cheekbones look all the more popping when they're like a different color like this. It feels like when you're playing around in Photoshop and you're like doing all like the different color corrections to the photos. This one's like all inverted. All right, now let's dig into the palette and start doing some contours with blues. We'll do our deepest first. I'll use the very dark blue right here. We'll use that for our cheek contour to really bring out the depth. I will say a little bit of this goes a long way. It's a matte color, but like it definitely has got some payoff to it. I'm gonna have to do some blending soon. But yeah, for $24, like that is not bad. It's a lot of colors. And if you hear some noise in the background, they are mowing the lawn of my place right now, and you think I would live on a golf course the way they've been going on. It's been longer than an hour now. I look like a ghoul. I love it. It's like demon makeup. Alright, so we have a lot of blue happening in the face right now, so let's do a color that's going to completely contrast it. Let's try this one here, because that's just screaming my name right now. That's a testament of a pretty good palette right there. Like, check that out. It's going right over blue, and it still retains some of its like true color. We'll do this color right here and add a bit more dimension. And underneath that, we'll go in with something darker like this deep purple right here. All right. Now let's cut our crease. Going back in with the ColourPop cream. All right, there we go. Let's set that with a fun color. We'll do like this lavender lilac-y color right here. Set that. Do what I like to call like the Joan Collins and Dynasty Eye, where it's like 18 shades of violet. Now I actually want to break into this palette and see if we have something kind of lavendery to put there. We do. Okay, let's try. Let's swatch and see. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We're doing sort of a blue moment, so let's do something that'll correspond with the hair that I'm wearing. Yeah, I don't want to speak too soon, but I'm loving everything out of this palette so far. Like, the color's been great. I go silent on you guys, like I always try and concentrate when I do the eyebrows. Because I don't want one of them to look like they smell what the rock is cooking. Alright, put our little brow hairs on. Alright. Looking good. I say this is my new favorite eyeliner. I'm buying like 6 more of these things. Yeah, so far it's looking a little like Studio 54 Mystique, which I'm not mad at. Alright, well, I'll let that dry. Cover that up. I'm gonna do my nose contour quick. I want to use something a little lighter, so let's try. This one was really pigmented. Let's try this top one. See how that looks. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Alright, I'm just doing underneath the eye with whatever residue is on my paintbrush. Because it's just going to be like a little shadow effect. Did you hear that? They're still mowing the lawn. They're trying to mess with me. Trying to make me go crazy. And clearly if they're watching this video, I have. Intergalactic girl. Alright, eyeliner again. How much you want to bet I could go out like looking like this and still get hit on by my Uber driver? Alright, now we just got to pick out our lipstick. Alright, I'm going to use the lipstick they gave me for free. So I'm going to use some kind of lip liner that kind of corresponds with it. If anything, it's just sort of a guideline. Alright, we have our lips lined. Let's put our lipstick on. Ooh, alright, let's see how this works. We're gonna do some finishing touches. I'm gonna do a little bit of a brow highlight real quick. Yes, she's giving me kind of like that beauty queen from Beetlejuice that's like working as a receptionist in hell. I figured it was gonna go somewhere between like the Smurfette to Mystique spectrum as far as blue women go. As far as it goes, like I don't have anything really like get on them about. Like this is actually really good palettes. Like the matte colors are fantastic and the shimmers have been bomb. Okay, now I just gotta do blush and we're almost done. Or we will be done, I should say. Just blush and eyelashes and we're done. I'm thinking this one here is the only one I haven't used yet. So we're gonna dip into that. Yep, all right, I'm gonna go in between the two of these right here. So we're building it up first. Alright, just one more finishing touch. We're going to do some highlight on the cheek. Alright, I just got to do my eyelashes. I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back.
Welcome back. This is the final result. Oh my god, you guys. But no, this actually turned out really, really cute. I'm loving it. I look a lot like that beauty queen from Beetlejuice, the one that was working as a receptionist in like, you know, the underworld. I love that. And yes, you guys are seeing this wig one more time. It was here, it was available, and it goes great with my complexion. Now my thoughts on the palettes are, I actually was really, really happy with them. Considering the price point's only $25, you get all these colors, I am not disappointed. My only complaint is that there isn't really a white eyeshadow, but we have a million palettes with whites in them. So in order to touch up my highlights, I just used a little bit of taco, you know, here and there. And the shimmer palette was not bad either. This one's $15 and they're magnetic, so they store easily. Gotta love that. Those were the Alexis Stone palettes with Revolution Cosmetics. They are drag approved. I have to say, it is really a good deal for all the colors you get. Hashtag not sponsored. Speaking of sponsors, oh my gosh. This look is missing just one more thing. The Jaymes Mansfield Magical Wig Spray from Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. Let me just give this wig a spritz again. Ah, now I smell just like cream soda in another dimension. Available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. And grooming can be an absolute drag, but thanks to Manscaped, Jaymes Mansfield to be specific. Use my code Mansfield20 to get 20% off your purchase. And most importantly of all, I have my own line of wigs, you guys. It's true. Click the links down below and see how you can purchase a wig by moi. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like this video, be sure to hit that dislike button twice. And until next time, bye. Click here and watch me style a RuPaul wig from Party City. Or see me style my own wigs from Jaymes Mansfield Beauty. Hey, that's me. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll tattoo eyebrows on your cat. So click it.